Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Welcome to the card kit for February 2026. I am featuring the pattern paper called Lovely and Beautiful. This piece is about 2 7/8 square. And the basic white that is going on top of is about 3 inches square. This little strip is 3/4 inches wide and 4 1/4 inches tall. Here we have some fresh freesia. This is the card front, 4 by 5 1/4. And this is how you put the card kit together. So it's pretty easy. This is a basic white thick card base. And you're going to fold and burnish the crease, and then you're going to put the card front on top, and we're going to use dimensionals for this square. And you're just going to sort of plop it maybe about 1/2 inch from the top and about, I don't know, maybe 1/8 inch to the side. You need to make room for that little strip. I mean, you can pretty much size everything the way you want, or you know what? You can mess around with this design as much as you want to. I do not take it personally. This is a beautiful, lovely and beautiful pattern paper. It has gold foil in it. I thought I would share it with you guys. This is a really cute card. Now, I'm going to do the second one so you can see very easily how I'm going to do the second one, but you can see that I've left the label out because I'm bringing in a brand new tool that I will be chatting about in a second. And I thought I would bring up the join offer on it because when people join Stampin' Up or join my team specifically, you will receive this special stamp positioner for free. Its value is about $67, and if you join the team and you get your starter kit, the starter kit is $135. You will get $165 worth of product, and you get free shipping. And there's a whole bunch of little goodies in there if you wanted to do it a business like I do, or you can just be your own best shopper. There is no commitment. You don't have to do anything. It's kind of easygoing. But one of these things is here. This is a new stamp positioner. So what I've actually done for my team and myself is I've taken a piece of that grid mat and I've laminated it. And I've actually used glue dots and glued it all down. So you are getting a little bit of glare from my ring light. That's a filming light. But yeah, this is how you use it. This top comes off, picks up the stamp, and then we can flip it around, and the stamp is on the top now, and I'm putting Calypso Coral is the ink of choice for today. And then I'm going to pick it up again, and there's these like little pegs up top. Yeah, and you just fit the top into those pegs and squash it down. It has these like little springs on the feet. So that was really easy. So now I'm going to move this one out, and I just remember where I'm sort of putting it. That grid mat really helps. I like to use number 3 or the 3-inch mark, and then the corresponding horizontal line as well. So here we're going to ink it up again, and with the full stamp. So it's like full stamp, full ink pad to the stamp, and then you flip it around. And I mean, there's another part to this. It's a little skinny kind of platform, or like top if you want, acrylic plate. I'm just using the big one for now because the small one, I don't know, I haven't played with it yet. Anyway, this deal is from February 3rd to March 2nd, 2026. This is valued at $67 Canadian, and I will tell you, I do not think it's coming in the new catalog just yet. So the new catalog starts in March, and I can pretty much guarantee you won't see it. This is the only time that you're going to see it. So join my team. I have a link below. So that sentiment comes from the Delicate Framing stamp set, and that is my share for today. So I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself, or the join link. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.